everyone. Today we will be doing the first episode of an entire new series, which is about chess. I'll do the beginner section first, and then intermediate, and advanced, and master. My goal is to beat all of them. So, yippee! Let's just start with the easiest Martin, so easy. Okay, go. And also, we will not be doing any takebacks or hints. So, yippee! Okay. Just gonna start with some good old e4. That's a really useful move. Of course it is. Like, everyone in the entire chess community does that. Huh. Interesting. Just gonna do this. Not as much as the advantage I was hoping for. Yippee. Wait, how is it a mistake? I don't get this. It's either that I'm bad at chess or, well, this computer sucks. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna queenside castle, which is does not make sense. And my minor pieces isn't really spread out, which suck, honestly. Why did he move there? I'm gonna do this. Okay. Me just fooling around. Actually, why not? I'll just do this. Rook HE1. Oh, interesting. This, I guess, the original plan. Yay, 3 points. Honestly, I just love killing pawns. It's just so fun. Like, pure fun. And, stacking them up, I guess. Or, what should I do? Yeah, why not? I'll just stack them up. King B1. Why exactly is that? Oh no. I'm just gonna take the knight since I love playing aggressive. Really? I'll just do this, I guess, so like it'll block that bad boy. Sure, why not? This is a good move. Definitely not stacking up there since, well, look at that rook over there. This challenge is hard. Right. How's the blunder? F6. Wait, yeah, it says F6 over there. I do not get this. How's a blunder? Let me see it first. I still just don't get it. How is it a blunder? Oh my god. I'm just going 0 IQ mode. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. I still don't really get why it is a blunder. Like, no idea why. Uh, should I move my knight there? That's kind of stupid though. Me going sweaty. I'll try to move. Yeah, I'm gonna sacrifice. Sacrifice. What in the world? Check. Dang. A very difficult decision. What should I do? Okay, I'm just gonna do this. This is kind of ridiculous. It looks like the queen is trying to do something over there. Not sure. Oh, wait, no, that doesn't make sense. Oh, I got it. Wait, no, that doesn't make sense. Well, I'll just do a check. Like, I don't think it's okay. It's not a missed win. It'd be Queen big brain. Queen. Huh? It's alternative. True. But queen is still better. Thank you. Have a nice day. Like, no, wait. Okay. Yes, he took it. Check. Check again. And then right there. Check, I guess. 64. Oh, thank goodness it's not 69. That'll be so annoying. Check. Probably a missed window. Wait, no, it's not. Okay, that is kind of okay, check again. This, I guess. No more not. Yeah, it's a missed one. I'm just going dumb mode. Check. And check again. Check. Yeah, another missed one. Who doesn't hate missed ones? Check. Check again. And that is victory, I think. Yeah. Wait. All right. Okay. So GG Martin, who's like a stupid bot. Okay. So 4 mistakes, which kind of suck. 1 blunder that he does not realize. So thank you for watching this very stupid video. I just absolutely hate playing weak people. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit the bell if you want. It's all free. And please put a thumbs up and share it with your friends, because it really helps. My goal is to try to beat my friend ParkourNav123, who got like 400 or 300 subs. So yeah, I only got 10 subs so far, but please subscribe and share my like YouTube channel with their friends and tell them to subscribe. So peace out.